Hello and welcome back. So S&P 500 this time. All right, S&P 500 is in a daily correction, we can say that. Okay, if I'm going to look at the percentage, so it has dropped almost more than 6%. Okay, so we are having a 6% correction on the S&P 500. All right, and S&P 500 is setting up for the next bullish leg back to that top or new high. So I kind of buy the dip, setup. So let's look at the previous, setup, and then we're going to talk about the update. Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good. So I'm looking at the S&P 500 this time. So we are having almost, more than 5%, okay, right? So more than 5%, drop on the S&P 500. And we can see there the trend is still intact, all right? And every time we are having dip, it is being bought aggressively, okay? Dip is coming, it's being bought. Dip is coming, it's being bought, all right? Dip is coming, we had the dip, it is being bought, all right? So we are having dip again, and it's trying to find its floor over there at 4,300, all right? And setting up for the next leg back to that top or new high up to, yeah, we may see 5,000 numbers, 5,000 on the S&P 500 in coming weeks, all right? So what you are looking, simply you are looking this to hold that previous bottom, all right? And the next, wave to just keep pushing more higher, okay? Price to hold that 4,300. It is almost 100 points away from 4,300, all right? So what you are looking, okay? So you are looking simply price to pull back on your lower time frame, okay? And stay above that 4,300, all right? If I'm going to go to the further lower time frame, there is possibility that S&P 500 not going to, pull back, deeper pullback, all right? Deeper pullback like that, right? Or if I'm going to pull out, fib lines like that, okay? So not going to pull back within these areas, 618 or 50% tracement, and going to continue to keep breaking out these small corrections which we are having over there. Okay, we are having, February the CN tomorrow, all right, which can create some volatility, all right? And there is possibility that, as I said, we're not going to see, deeper pullback, and price is going to keep breaking for more upside during the New York session today. So if you already managed to get into the market from when it was, rising very, very aggressively, then great. If not, then you are looking price to give you a deeper pullback, okay, which is much better to get in, okay? So deeper pullback and then continue, okay? If deeper pullback is not coming, then it is going to be slightly risky to chase these small corrections, okay? But if you are good enough, then you can chase these corrections for more enough or continuation for more upside, okay? So two types of behavior: risk taking, all right, yeah, or passive, wait for the price to give you a deeper pullback up to 618 or 50% of this previous impulsive move, and then you jump in, and then you are looking for this to continue to keep pushing more higher, okay? So price shouldn't go beyond that low, all right? For the next bullish wave, price should stay above. It can test, all right, but it should stay above that 4,300 for the next impulsive wave. All right, so hopefully you understand that the S&P 500 is setting up for a opportunity for next leg opportunity, okay? So watch it and look for this to continue to keep pushing all the way back to that top. And all right, so that was the previous video analysis. Okay, now let's look at some charts, and then we're going to talk about the updated one, all right? So that you can understand that what kind of formation we are having over there. Okay, so it's kind of a flag formation, okay? Flag formation is just appearing over there. So we got first of all, okay, so we got the deeper pullback, which I was talking about previously there. Okay, so we got the deeper pullback, and the price, after having that deeper pullback, it remained bullish, right? So it was keep pushing higher. So that the dip opportunity was working as long as price wasn't struggling, okay? So price started to, struggle after hitting that 44.90 area, and then went lower, right? So it didn't hit the top, okay? But we got the bullish leg over there, the leg which we were anticipating. Yeah, it didn't hit the top, but we got the bullish leg over there, all right? It didn't, we didn't achieve the target, we can say that. Okay, and it went lower for the next leg. Okay, let's look at the updated chart. So we were expecting either it to give us a correction and drop, or continue the bullish trend back to that top. So we have seen correction over there, all right, after that sell-off. Again, price broken below that low, right? So after breakout, we were expecting this correction to get deeper, all right? And after, that correction to break out for upside. All right, so there was the update. So we have seen that correction. Okay, was a bit sharp all the way back to that low and broke out, and then we were expecting it to continue to keep pushing more higher or get down back to that low
and hold the bottom, this bottom for another leg. So right now, okay, the previous dip was there, okay, that went higher. Now we have found bottom over there, this area, right, at that price, we can say that. So 42.72, all right, so 42.72, and we are right now within that wave, okay, within that wave. And as I said, on the bigger daily time frame, we are still within a flag formation. Okay, so price tag that floor, and the next bullish wave is just appearing over there. So during the New York session for today, okay, so price took correct. All right, it's already correcting on 15-minute time frame and breakout, okay, and hit that daily correction top. All right, that's a daily correction top, okay, daily flag top, we can say that. Okay, breakout and continue to keep pushing more higher all the way back to that top, all right, or give us another leg lower like that, back to that low or new low for more upside. Okay, hopefully you understand that on lower time frame what price has done and is doing right now. Okay, if I'm gonna look at the daily time frame now, okay, hopefully you understand that now. Okay, that's the daily correction which price is forming right now. ABC move, we can say that, and found its bottom over there, 42.72. okay, and trying to set up for the next leg. All right, so we still can see another leg lower. If I'm gonna extend that trend line, right, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna extend these two trend lines. Okay, so price still can drop for another leg lower within that daily correction. Okay, so if I'm gonna pull out another arrow, right, so that's what you are looking. Price to break and continue, or give us another leg lower back to that low. All right, and price to continue, keep pushing more higher after that dip. All right, so that's what you're looking. So if you already caught the dip from there at 43 area or 42.80, 42.70 or 75, okay, then you are looking this to continue to keep pushing more higher. Okay, this next leg higher all the way back to that top. It has the potential to keep pushing more higher all the way back to the 5,000 mark. Right, but that's far away. You are not looking for that. You are simply looking this to break the previous top and form new high. Okay, if I'm gonna look at the 4-hour time frame, that's what your structure right now. Okay, correct over there. It's correcting on 15-minute time frame, breakout and continue and clear that daily flag. Okay, clear that and continue to keep pushing more higher back to that top, right, or new high. If it's not breaking, okay, and goes slightly more higher, let's say go slightly more higher and test that top, okay, and then another leg lower. Okay, another leg lower, test this previous low or form new low, and then continue to keep pushing more higher. So hopefully I will update then if it is going to go for another leg lower. So far it's bottomed, okay, at there at 42.72 areas, and you are simply looking this to stay bullish, stay up for another leg higher. Okay, that's the daily structure. So thank you, we'll see you back again.